areas na very interesting and so much possibilities here in Manila. Ang dami natin mag-offer.
Yes.
So I'd like to welcome everybody. Thank you for being here. Please take advantage of this morning and keep learning.
Salamat, ma'am. Bago kita pakawalan, dahil nandito na ang misteryo, ang dati ko. Sumami kita. Estudyante ko po yung anak nila, ma'am, sa Entrepreneurs Innovation. Kaya napasok tayo sa Go Negosyo. Ma'am, ano po sa palagay ninyo ang natatangi pang potensyal ng tourism business sa Pilipinas?
Napakalaki pa. We have so many natural places, natural resources, places to visit, and untapped places. So please keep inviting them and find the right spots to be able to bring our country forward.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Marisa Concepcion. Palatapan natin.